Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. So today, ooh, a bigger box. That's almost as big as I am. Well, kinda. It's bigger than my head. Let's see what's inside and what Samsung sent us. You saw the thumbnail, so you probably already know. Let's check out this book thing. Here we go. Ready? Okay, here we go. There's something in here. Do not accept if seal is broken. Okay, good to know. Okay, here we go, Samsung. And there it is, the Galaxy Book2 Pro 360. That's a nice box. A box within a box within a box. Intel inside. I'm thinking a small incision. One more. Okay, here we go. This is one of my favorite parts. Oh, hey look, it came with a charger. Well, that's cool. Super fast charging. Wow, there's like, nice. What is that? 3, no, well, I'll do the math later. Okay, then it came with that. Ah, there's a tab. And it came with a cable and a little book. Yes! Came with a stylus. Light. Okay, here we go. Nice cloth. Oh, that's just pretty. By Samsung. We'll just fold it. Wow. And it should go, yep. Wow. Reminds me of the yoga tablet. 2 USB-C ports. 3 USB-C. I'm guessing we hold that down. The battery might be dead. That's a headphone jack. I like how it has 3 USB-C. No CD-ROM drive, and man, is it thin. Holy cow. Let's try the keys. Follow the white rabbit. Ah, nice little feet. Sponsored by AKG Sound. Very nice. 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay, we're gonna have to charge it. So we have our cable right here. Of course it's USB-C. I mean, what else did you expect? That was anticlimactic, wasn't it? Red dot. Ah, 61%. There we go. That was weird how it wouldn't power up even though it was at 61%. I guess it really wanted you to plug it in first. Yeah, it says right there, power. So one of the main reasons I got this is because I really do want to use it as a tablet. I want to see how this new technology compares to the 2020 tech of the Remarkable as it relates to a paper-like writing, drawing, sketching, note-taking experience. Just a moment. Okay, so it does have a built-in accelerometer. Windows. Wait, it's not a Mac? No, I knew it was Windows. Hello. So we're gonna choose English. Okay, touchpad responsiveness is good. We're gonna say United States, because that's where I am. Very glass-like experience, US. Do you want to add a second keyboard? No. Okay, I can already hear the fan. So that's the new MacBook Airs that came out last year don't have the fan noise. So I didn't know what to expect. I've never had a Galaxy Book 2. So let me pause while I connect my Wi-Fi. So now it is checking for updates. I was surprised that the fan kicked on so quickly. Normally you don't get the fan right away. Please review licensing. Sure, accept. The screen is really bright, and right there where I had my hand, that's where the heat vent is. Can you hear that? Here, I'll get my microphone. We'll have to measure the decibels on that. And now I need to sign into my Microsoft account. As much as I like you all and feel that we're part of this community, which we are, I'm not going to share my login info at this time, so pause. Another fun part, the account is all set up, and now it wants me to use my fingerprint to log in. Yes, please. So we have to take off the little piece of tape there. Yes, set up. Let's see how quickly this is. Touch the power button. All right. Blip. Repeatedly. Okay, good. And now it's doing the little fingerprint analysis, very similar to Dell and Mac and a few others, and Samsung. I like how light it is. I like how small the bezels are on the screen. That's it, you're all set. That bottom bezel, that's it's a bit of a chin. Create a pin. All right. Pause. Now this is the tricky part. It's asking for privacy settings. Do I want Samsung doing advertising ID? Tailored experiences, inking and typing, send optional inking and typing to improve language? No. Diagnostic data? No. Advertising ID? No. Find my device? Yeah, that's helpful. And location? Yeah, if ever want to order food. All right. Let's customize your experience. Watch videos, gaming. Really, it was just for school and creativity. That's what I got it for. And some business. And yes, family. Of course, right? Back up your PC with OneDrive? Sure. So far, so good. Your device is even better. Got it. 1 terabyte of storage. That's always good, right? Checking for updates. This is where it gets painful. Just a moment, please. It actually said that. It said just a moment. Now it's saying hi. Oh, hi, Bill Gates. Getting things ready for you. Okay, now the fan is kicking in again. Ooh. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. All right. Ooh, where's my laser gun? Let's check out the heat, shall we? 87. 81. Yeah, 87 was the hottest, so not too bad. Not too bad, Samsung. Okay, it looks like this is going to take a few minutes, so sit tight. We'll be back soon. So it's funny when you first start doing these reviews and you start reviewing different products and you gain a perspective, right? Not all products are the same. Every product has this little niche. Anyway, read some fine print. Please use Windows 11 for this model. That's good to know. Fully charge the battery using the adapter it came with before using the computer for the first time. So it wanted it to be plugged in before it turned on. That's why that initial power button click wasn't working. Anyway, and it comes with the computer, the adapter, and the stylus. The stylus, I like it. It has, has the one function button. It doesn't appear to be battery powered. If it is, it's a really, really light battery. And it looks like, yeah, it looks like the nib might be replaceable. I didn't see any replaceable nibs or tips in the box. I'll look again, but I kind of put it to sleep and yet it's making more noise than this computer right here. And this is my work computer, but I just for a quick display. It's connected to 3 monitors right now with a docking station, playing one of my videos here, Notepad's open, Outlook's open, all these apps are open, and the fan's not running. And yet this is closed and the fan's running. So maybe it's doing updates in the background. Let's open it and take a look. Try the new look. Keep your PC. Okay. Nope. I just want to close and unlock. There we go. So it has this thing. It says Note Shelf, the beginning of paperless life. Take handwritten notes. Awesome. PDFs and more. Note Shelf is coming soon. Bummer. So how do I take notes if Note Self is coming soon? So let's see if it's running updates, and maybe that's the reason why. Normally when you first unbox things like this, they run quite a bit of updates. Okay, updates available. Pending install, pending. There we go. Yeah, it's doing a cumulative update for malicious software. That's why the fan's running. Okay, not to be alarmed. My initial thoughts are, it reminds me of the MacBook Air, but it's different. I may do a head-to-head comparison. My first impressions are, I like it. I like the 360 design. I'm excited to use this as a tablet. You know, it completely folds flat. That's nice. I like how it has 3 USB-C ports, whereas the MacBook Air only has 2, and sometimes, well, quite often I could use 3. The accelerometer seems to be really good. It quickly rotates between portrait and landscape. That's nice. Not too crazy about that heating vent. That gets, man, that's getting warm. 103. So if you were trying to run, I mean, it's so warm right here that it would be difficult to hold, and it's quite loud. But again, once those updates finish. So let's see here. Interesting that the keyboard, yeah, that's kind of a weird feeling to hold it like that and then have a keyboard. But if I just swipe up, please scan in. So now, if I'm holding like this, I have to find the sensor on the back right there. Your fingernail could not be recognized. Try a different finger. There we go. Okay, so now it updated. Well, sorry, it unlocked. But holding it, yeah, it's very tall. Almost about the size of a MacBook Pro, I'd say. Well, let me play with this. I just wanted to unbox it because I wanted to see what it was like. It's, okay, so yeah, it's different because you feel that keyboard. I think there's another one by Lenovo where it like rotates and spins, and then the keyboard's hidden underneath. But it appears that the keyboard is disabled except for that fingerprint sensor. Because if I click the Windows key, yeah, that's not doing anything. All right, so my first impressions are, it's interesting. It intrigues me. I'm looking forward to finding an app that lets me write. I'm sure there's one on here, and I'll give you a day 2 impression tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep on it, let it run some updates. It folds real easy. Pretty easy. Yeah, look at that. Well, the hinge, nice design. And there's your thinness perspective on it. Well, there you go. The Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 goes, yeah, by Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have a follow-up video on this very soon. And yeah, goodbye and see you. I'll have another video out tomorrow. Goodbye.